So I recently purchased a bunch of film accessories and some film stock, 16 millimeter, bunch of odds and ends from a guy. And he had this little toy camera he said he'd throw in on the deal. I'd never heard of the Holga before. It's a 120 camera. This is the 120S. And I got online to try to find a steel clip for it. Couldn't find an individual clip or even a pair of clips anywhere. Looks to be kind of a little bit of a pain to deal with anyway, especially considering that's all that holds the film in the back. So I said, well, this is stupid. I'm a designer. So I went and designed the Holga Holder. The S doesn't have a 1/4-inch mount for tripod. So I put a 1/4-inch mount in it and a strap leg. And now, after you load your film, just put it down in and go. I also designed a cap and dug a flash out of the pile. And now it is ready to rock. So yeah, if anybody wants one, they're available at the link below.